Fears of the coronavirus are still gripping financial markets, and everyone from Fortune 500 companies to everyday investors saving for retirement are feeling the impact. Alexis Carpello joins us live in the studio. And Alexis, you spoke with a financial expert who says the last few days is nothing that we haven't seen before.
That's right, Brittany. He advises that the coronavirus is indeed an event-driven sell-off, but shares insights that may have many less fearful of this market plunge.
We've had several of these over the years.
Stocks close at their lowest level since the 2008 financial crisis, as fiscal fears are heightened by the spread of the novel coronavirus.
This is going to clip something off first quarter GDP. How much? I don't know.
Tracy Garst is a senior portfolio manager at Midland State Bank. He says the stock market has seen lows like this before.
1987, we had an event-driven sell-off in which S&P 500 was down 22% in one day on Black Monday. 1998, we had a very significant sell-off due to the long-term capital hedge fund that was basically going under. After 9/11, we had a significant sell-off in the market, and again, an event-driven sell-off. December of 2008 was another financial crisis, but we had a week in which this event really drove a significant sell-off.
Experts say those close to retirement should maybe make adjustments.
I'm worried the most for those people, because if we see a significant drop and they haven't adjusted their portfolio to be realistic as they move towards retirement, that could be really damaging for them. Now might be the time you need to adjust and go, I'm going to take this seriously. So whether it's this specific situation that causes us to go into a recession, or it's something in months from now, that I'm actually ready, my portfolio is ready for that kind of a drop.
But for the rest of us, investing in the stock market could be rewarding.
This is a great time to have money come out of your paycheck and buy stock. Many times the fear sets in, individuals end up selling, they sell at the bottom, and they also miss the run up, which can be significant on the other side.
Again, although we've been here, experts do suggest taking a look at your accounts, and if you are uncomfortable with the stock market trends, it may be a time to adjust. Brittany?